Hello, my name is Mark. I'm originally from Switzerland and I signed up with Patrick for the Pro package, EMF 1, EMF 2, EMF 3. Signed up last year, started last year, and here I am in beautiful Austria, just the last day here of EMF 3, and basically all done now, and just wanted to let everybody know that who is interested in either doing it for personal reasons or for a new career, I highly recommend taking Patrick's course. It's very thorough, and you don't only learn about the technical aspect, but also about the business aspect. And so very thorough, highly recommend it, and I'm glad I did sign up.